Hi, my name is Stuart Stephen Clifford and I'm a fight choreographer. So what is film combat? It's the art of creating the illusion of violence for the screen. So who is the workshop meant for? It's meant for anyone who enjoys creating content or having fun. Okay, let's have some fun. Hey, Screamer! So what can students expect upon completion of this course? Well, they can expect to have learned some warm-ups with music. They will learn some non-contact fight choreography, camera positioning, and fight scene structure. They will even make their own video fight scene. So do students need martial arts experience? No. I can show them everything they need to know. However, if you do have martial arts experience, register now.